At the far right is our extensive additional resources section. This section includes items that are not contained in the other pages on the site. The icons at the top of the page allow you to select a specific resource type. The headings on the left sidebar further filter resources based on your pedagogical intentions. When you select a theme, you will see a drop-down menu of specific subcategories. Here is a graphic breaking down the themes and subthemes. Similar to the themes, after you select one of the 12 digital competency dimensions, you can narrow your search to a specific element of the digital competency framework. You may search by keyword by typing text into the search bar.
Here's an example of how someone may use the filters to conduct a short search. Let's say several parents ask me about appropriate screen time for young children. I want to direct them to resources which I will share in a class newsletter. First, I'm going to select the resource type I'm searching for, Information Resource. Next, I'll go to the Audience tab and select Parent or Guardian. I will select the cycle of the students the resource would be relevant to. For this example, let's go with Elementary Cycle 3 students. Under Theme, I'll select Personal and Social Well-Being. Finally, I'll select the sub-theme, Health and Wellness. You can see we've easily narrowed our search to just a few resources to explore, including tip sheets, unplugged activities, and even proper posture recommendations. The goal of the DCA site is to provide practical and relevant resources for educators. We encourage you to contribute by using the Suggest a Resource button here, or contact us via the About Us section. For the latest information from the Learn team, follow us on Twitter and YouTube. You'll find a link to our social media accounts at the bottom of the site.